In today's episode, we are making the easiest Philly cheesesteak sliders you have ever tried. That's right, no long prep, no fancy ingredients. Welcome to Cooking with Cassie and Family. These are the highlighted comments of the week. Thank you for all your love and support. Easy Philly cheesesteak sliders. Let's go. You want to grab a pack of beef shaved steak. Buy the one that's already pre-shaved. The only veggies you'll need is bell pepper and onion. Naturally, you'd want to use a green bell pepper because that is what Philly cheesesteak calls for. Have your provolone cheese pre-shredded, cut into small pieces. This is a bit controversial, but don't use Hawaiian sliders. Use this instead. This is closer to the bread that's actually used on Philly cheesesteak. Now it's time to prep the ingredients. Start by thinly slicing your bell peppers and onions. I like to slice mine like this, and if you choose to use this technique, please use a dull knife to avoid cutting your hand by accident. I find that using this technique helps me get the vegetables nice and thin. You can also use a vegetable dicer or a mandolin, but you get the point. Just make sure that your peppers and onions are thinly sliced or in small chunks. From here, grab your hot skillet and a 1 tablespoon of butter. We're going to saute these vegetables in butter until they are fully cooked. Start off by sauteing half of the vegetables. Save the other half for later. Cook on these should be fully cooked, no crispy pieces. To your same hot skillet, add some more butter or oil just to coat the bottom of the skillet. In the pan, season your shredded steak. I'm using an all-purpose beef and steak seasoning. Any seasonings will do. Then you'll want to add the other half of your sauteed vegetables to the steak. We're going to cook this together. I find that this gives the steak much needed boost of flavor. Now it's time to prep our dinner rolls. To keep the prep minimal and easy, I like to set my dinner rolls to bake in a cupcake or muffin tin. This helps the bread cook evenly with minimal cleanup and easier to assemble. Follow the baking instructions on the back. Now your steak is ready and it should look like this. If you've made it this far into the video, please remember to subscribe to this channel so that I am able to bring more fun and easy recipes just like this one to you. This channel is made possible only with your support. Thank you. In the meantime, melt some butter and set it to the side. This will be used to coat the bread at the end. Now that your peppers and steak is all cooked and ready to go, add them to another plate so that we can begin to assemble our sliders. And we're going to add all of the toppings to the buns. Add your shredded beef, peppers and onions. Lastly, add your cheese on top. Pretty easy, right? This recipe is the only slider recipe that's made to be easy. No fancy prep, no long ingredients, just simple, easy cooking. This recipe is perfect for any occasion, any get-together that you're having and need to throw something together very quickly. You'll want to refer back to this recipe. I promise you won't be disappointed that you did. Put your sliders under the oven at 350 just to melt the cheese. When it's done, the sliders will look like this. Perfect, beautiful, delicious sliders every single time. So easy, anyone can put this together. Now that we have this all set and ready to go, grab the butter that we melted earlier and it's time to brush it on top of the buns. Waiting to brush on the butter at the end helps the dish stay moist. Philly cheesesteaks can be a bit dry. Waiting to add the butter at the end will bring cohesiveness to the sandwich. Helps balance everything out. And that's a job done. Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you enjoyed today's video. Please like this video, share with a friend, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel if you want to catch more quick and easy recipes like this one. As always, I thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.